let's do this one first because that one was fun. The glitter. You know, like in Super Mario Land where you go up to the star stage, or when you go into the cave and the music like didn't, 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 didn't. And it's like a cave with like stars in it. This is what it looks like. Oh, hi, piggies. Yeah, it's Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Oh my gosh, that means new makeup. That means emptying out shit. Now, I am not... Oh, wait, hold on. I don't have the mic. Great, that means there's 2 videos out there that, have no microphone. Oh, God. I'm black. I need lighting. Yeah. Okay, so yeah. That means I have to throw away junk that I had for, months, years, decades, especially things that don't cater to my skin. I am tired of getting makeup that I think is going to be nice and pigmented, and then it's ash trash. Makeup revolution. I had this for a long time. I had this for maybe only 3 years. Yeah, 3 years. Okay, let's open it with one hand. I'm tired of these warm color nude. Can you tell me if this was in like a blue packaging, would it look better? Actually, it kind of would. Isn't that what Kylie Jenner do? Put it in blue packaging even though it's the same warm tone? I am tired. Oh, why did I put it in the same spot? I'm tired of the same colors that I can't use. That looks exactly the same on my skin but just in different pearlescent options. No more buying any warm tone palettes. Nope. What I'm planning to do, we'll kind of bypass this. Trash. Next, I got this for free. I don't want any more free makeup palettes because they're all the same. Don't this look like the other one just with some plums? You know what? I could give this away, but I don't know anyone with makeup skills that I know. That was the same sentence. I don't know anyone with makeup skills that I know. Trash. Oh, another makeup revolution. Ultra blush. That was not a face I want to put up. Blush. Like bees. Blush palette. What was I thinking? I think I bought this. I was like, you know what? I can use it for highlight. And I never use it for highlight. It's a really nice mirror though. Trash. I was there when makeup Hush, I think. Shop Hush. I remember when they first came out, and I'm still cheap today. I'm just more smart with my cheapness. And I swear we've seen this before, just like 2 minutes ago. I thought this color was going to be deep. You can't even see it on me. I thought this color was going to be deeper. You know, according to the pictures, it's more like higher contrast, and that's like my skin color, but red. Trash. This one looks nice, actually. Like the different colors. This was actually... Whoa. Nice. It's blacker than black. Does that say Pigeon? Or Pigeon? Oh my god, I read it Pigeon. If I wasn't getting the things I was going to get from Black Friday, I guess I would have kept it, but I don't really use it. I'm into making my own palettes now. Can't wait till you see that. Trash. Same company. A dupe of another palette. Oh yeah, those were dupes of Lime Crime, but dupe of another palette. Guess what it looks like. This is a nice palette. I kind of like it. It kind of has some of those same colors, but only like 3 of them. I have no time for these palettes anymore. I have no time to take out this whole palette. Anyone out there with Pomeranians? That's basically my room. She's molting. And isn't this nice and depressing? I was 30 away and decided to, you know, suicide. And, well, rest in peace next to my dog's pieces. Pomeranians are amazing, but boy, they shed. And boy, they have skin problems. A lot of skin problems. Crap. Trash. Elf palette. Custom compact. Oh, but wait. Coastal Scents. It's Coastal Scents Deep Roast Chocolatier Wild Raisin and Oktoberfest. Remember Oktoberfest? You remember Oktoberfest? Hold on, let me see if I can just open with one hand. Oh, they look all almost the same, just with different undertones. Oktoberfest. I thought it was more orange than, you know, it is here. And remember when people, black people was so on to Oktoberfest, and there was one teddy bear, something like that. Chocolatier. These were the colors back in 2008 for black YouTubers, especially Oktoberfest, because it was finally a color we could transfer with. You gotta remember, in the 80s, the only skin tone or foundation we had was ashy. Look at all the R&B artists back then, Aaliyah and look at their skin. Ashy. When you take pictures, ash. That's when we finally started to get actual colors for our skin, and that was right there. So the industry is catching up, but this was not that long ago that we had to find a transfer color for us. Trash. These are fairly new. Almay. I got two different ones. They said, all right, so hold on. This is. I've been out of focus for a long time. Just listen to my voice. Or focus. Would you focus, you son? I read the review, or what they were trying to say is 3 colors with different, like, iridescence under it. There's one with purple, one with green, one with blue, and one with yellow iridescence. And I figured it would be like those highlighters that's like, you know, very pigmented, iridescent. No. Huh. This for both the green and the peach. Okay, so this is the one with the light side. Oh, ashy green? Okay, cool. Alright. Fun. Unopened golden sugar rose gold. Blech. After I opened the other one, I didn't want to open this one. What was I thinking? I was a baby. I was a makeup baby. I think it's so undeserving. I don't even want to send it out. I would ask if anyone want this, but trash. After feeling this beauty, and now it's all over my floor, there's like, yeah. I'm going to destroy things that I'm going to throw away. Is this wasteful? Not really. It was going in the trash anyway. Oh, how nice. Freaking is, yes. I feel like a little kid playing in the dirt again. Oh, yes. Do you like that? Does that do anything for you? Only on the left side, so there'll be no ASMR here. Oh, look at this. Give me a B. B. Give me a C. Give me that D. Give me a T. I don't know why. I just want to do a T. Oh, what does that spell? Abacadut. You ready? You ready? Oh, that was a horrible reveal. Ta-da! It's makeup crack. Let's do a gradient here, shall we? Oh, now that's pretty. That's gorgeous. It looks like the midnight night. Oh, I want my room walls to be like that. I want my room walls to be like a cave. You know, like in Super Mario Land where you go up to the star stage, or when you go into the cave and the music like didn't, 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 didn't. And it's like a cave with like stars in it. This is what it looks like. Now I want to play it. Is it Super Mario Land? Super Mario Land 2? Super Mario Brothers? Because there's brothers playing? I don't remember. Let's do the middle. Let's do a straight line. Oh, it broke up. Like a typical boy band. How about you? You're not so... Oh. Oh. Unsatisfying. Can we mix, you guys? I'm gonna put you and you. It's not really mixing. It's turning more in like a blue-brown, so whatever. How about you? Ooh, that feels good. Ooh, what I'm gonna do? Shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. That's a... Ooh, this corner. Oh, you're beautiful. Oh my god, you're just so beautiful. Oh, crap, it got on the floor. Hello. Let's get right to it, shall we? Definitely the gold for... Yes. Oh, Brownsy, goddess. No, I could put this in like some baby oil and like rub it on my body. Blushes. This was actually on me. Blushes. It's beautiful though when it's crushed up like that. It really is. Can I shake up this one? Shake it. That was unsatisfying. On a horrible floor. I don't want to destroy these. I did it! I did one. Oh, yes. Oh. Oh, this is one that fell out. Ah! Drawing. So this one's peach. And it's a peach. Oh, yes. Let's start backwards. Start with free love. Hello, free love. You're beautiful. You look like black, but you're like the deep blue. You're a typical colors and palettes. You know, that kind of plummy brick red. Almost like a vampire red, but not really. It's not ox blood, but it's bloody. Here's another color you kind of see. It's almost mustardy, but not really. This is the blush in the other palette. Like a tan, mossy green. You don't see this actually. It's beautiful, but it's almost too dull. I know my skin it would just be a dark-ish color, not really the green. Skin color, almost like a deeper version, like melanin version of my skin color. A little bit more like the ox blood, but not really. It's like old blood. This is old blood. Here's the kind of mustard. Like, I'm mustard, but not really. I'm saying not really a lot. I look like my cousin over there, but a little bit more yellow than orange. Ooh, soft. Hello, sir. Hello. Oh. When it's crumbly like that. Oh, yes. Oh, Oh, this is definitely in every freaking shadow colors, like ashy brown. It's the shadow color to shadow your eyelids. This is also always in other palettes, but this is like the transfer for black people. Some black people become all shades. Another kind of mossy green, but more ashy mossy green. This orange I don't really see, but I kind of do. You interpret that the way you want. And oh, this. Oh. You're a beauty. You're like gold. And this is the Brady Bunch. The Brady Bunch. The Brady Bunch. Do 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 do. Dislike button. I like the dislike button too. There's always two people that dislike me. Okay, I love you. Bye bye.